Hey there. So I was just thinking about Michael. You know, there's this guy, he does programming, he did the scooters thing, Ludwig, I don't know. Some dude. I was like, what about this e-waste fucking shit? You know, like phones or some shit? And I'm like, you know, you can probably get like $30 and you get like 25 of them somewhere. Just put them on a fucking PCB board, you know, just unfucking solder and put them on a fucking basic PCB way. Because they're sponsoring the video. This is a little video idea I had for the guy. For what it's worth. But, it's like, alright, wait. Hang on. You're a stupid dumbass. You don't know what I'm doing yet. Alright? I got some UV resin. I decided to polish it all up nice and clear like. I then created multiple fucking lenses into the 25 that are on the one PCB. On the back side of it, of course, I got a couple of Adrenos, you know, like some of those motherfuckers just hook it in there. You know what I mean? Yeah, basic shit, right? You know, some basic GitHub fucking code. You know, just imagine there's an edit there. I never do edit. You probably know that. At least so far. Anyways, but hey, you know, alright, you got that. It works. It's all together. You know, you got a little lensing system. That's nice. I got some silver nitrate. That's some mirroring. You know, I'm gathering some more extra light from the outside and I'm putting it back in. Okay? That's right. That's what I want to do. Yep, I want that. I want that extra light. Why? Because it's going to get too fucking, like, stupidly, you know, dull. I don't want that. You know why? I was like, hey, he's Michael. But you know, he's not just regular Michael. He's now Michael Weston, the Michael guy. Like, no, we're going to get this 3 fucking stupid diodes, stupid little fucking camera sensor system that Burn Notice did. And we're going to hook up some electrodes to this fucking goddamn shotgun shell. Get an alligator, well then connect it, don't go over there. I'm like, this is dangerous as shit. That will work, by the way, you dumbasses. I don't know how that managed to get through. But, like, I love that show, and actually, you're not dumb. To be fair, I actually really like that. But the point is, it's like, alright, well, I'll get, like, I don't know, fucking, how about fucking 25 of those sensors? You know, it's like, it's a progressive escalation. It's like, alright, I'll move the little thing, and boom, you know, see what it does. I'll put, like, a little tube in there, you know, like, I just buy it off Amazon, you know, like a little steel or some shit. Boom. What does it do? What's the difference? Right? You know what I mean? Do the little time delay thing. They had time delays back in those motion sensors to make sure they get a little closer before it go off. You know, you get the picture, generally speaking. Right? But it's like, no, don't worry. It's going to be way cooler than that. Because we got the old school Mythbusters, right? Because they did fucking a lot of Burn Notice myth busting, alright? And then we got like fucking, what's his name? The ATF would like to have a word with you. They're there. You know those guys? You know those motherfuckers? Right? So it's like, alright, we gotta get those guys. Alright, we have to do it. Alright, we have to do that. But we're not done yet. Don't worry, Michael. And all the rest of you. We're not done yet. I know he's got the actuator. He did the stabby look at I'm a fucking doctor thing. You know, I do my own remote fucking doctor work over here. I'm Michael. It's forever ago. But like, you know. Point is, I'm like, all right, so then we're going to track that with the little 25 total diode, you know, system, you know, but it's 3, so it's like, it's actually more than that. Point is, you know, right? I'm like, all right, then we'll do the little delay, we'll do like a little hacking code, I'll put a little Adreno, whatever the fuck, you know, basic GitHub, little action, with the fucking little tube, boom, see what I can do. You know what I mean? Go out into the desert, like, guys, it's totally a real house. No, it's not. Are you fucking stupid, you fucking dumbass? No. We're not doing that. No, get out of here. No, this is not ever supposed to be in our house. That's what that would be. I'm pretty sure it's illegal too, but I don't actually know all the laws. So there's that. But I'm going to move on. The point is, it's like, don't worry. I got myself a claymore ready. Okay, I'm going to get my UV resin out. I'm going to get all my fucking gunpowder and put them into multiple little sections. I'm going to do my little tube system onto it. You know, I have the blasting cap, but it's not really blasting cap. These are like, you know, rockets, you know what I mean? Then you got those like squid things. You got a little electrodes, and then you got like the actual primer. So I'll fucking do a little actuator, primer, you know, electrode, all the things. Make sure it burns no matter fuck what, you know what I mean? Do like a little multi-stage, fucking like, I got some tubes, I screw them together, that kind of thing, you know what I mean? Right, and then it goes into the big blunderbuss, you know, kind of size of that thing. It's totally Claymore. Because it is. That's what its claymore would be. So there's that. But don't worry, I got my buckshot and bird shot, you know what I mean? Putting together, you know, get a little basic shit, and then it works. Works just fine. I got outdoor. Oh my god, there's aluminum now. There's some magnesium maybe. There's some like, oh, I don't know, I 3D printed this with some copper. You know, for the tubes. That way it would go the right way. But don't worry, I got this little extruded aluminum piece, a little slider rail, and then I got fucking like, you know, air compressed can. It does a little tracky wackies. Oh, what happened to that fucking stupid 25 fucking like old ass camera fucking things? Yeah, that's what this is for. We're gonna aim shot this motherfucker. What's the meters per second over distance? You know what I mean? Basic, simple math, actually, for what it's worth. This is ballistic trajectories. But, like, the first one, when it fucking fires, it doesn't, it's not gonna know. I mean, you have to get out the slow-mo guys, because that's right, that's surprise! Yeah, except they were there from the beginning. Yeah, slow-mo guys are there from the beginning, of course, because, you know, Gavin would love this shit, obviously, right? So, clearly, we're gonna get that bitch in there. And then we're gonna fucking fire that fucker and see how just massively damaging it would be to any person. I'm just gonna pull it with a rope as I'm through the boom. You know what I mean? What the fuck was that, right? You know, of course you know. Everybody knows. You were doing a video. Obviously they know. What the fuck, man? Are you stupid? Of course you're stupid. Come on. You didn't come up with this. Probably because it's dangerous as shit and you probably shouldn't do it. Just saying. You know, which really is probably a Darwin-like catch-22 superpositional state, you know, if you really kind of think about it a little. You know, it's like, they're both dumb because they never thought about a really stupid, dangerous thing and using a whole bunch of smart shit to make it happen. That could kill them. Or they're really smart. I'm not sure which. You know, because they didn't die doing that. Woo! Evolution. How does it happen? I don't know. You know what I mean? Except we do. You know, it's selective. Anyway, moving on. Point is, like, just imagine the wall has suddenly turned into, you know, I'm doing the thing, you know, you gotta do the thing. That's the thing. Anyways. Hey. Don't worry about it. There's nothing over there. Fun stuff. Okay? Fun stuff. But we're not done yet. Right, like, okay, I gotta do basic GitHub codes for tracking, blah, blah, blah. I got a little fucking compressor. I've already done the actuating. I already know all that shit. I can collaborate with them. I'm not gonna be like Ludwig, that fucking alienates all of the fucking, by trying to be a comedy guy. It seems like it's not really. But, like, all the fucking, you know, motorcyclists out there. That was pretty brutal. He comes off like, I'm cool, dude. I'm Michael Weston. You know, fucking doing that shit. It's fucking awesome. But at the same time, I'm like, wow. Yeah, that didn't go over as well as he probably would have thought, you know. To be fair, that was serious shit. So, you know, there is that. But anyways, the fun part is that it's a flying claymore. You can fucking fire that. And you can do it right now. For very cheap. Look at the amount of cost of materials. It's like nothing. Constructive interference from other light sources into the fucking lens array. Actually way fucking easier than you think. Especially when it's like, oh, I can put some fluid and then just fucking squeeze that like little lens puck I fucking made. You know, and it's like, you know what I mean? And it's just like, oh yeah, no, well that means I can angle all of them and get them perfectly apertured. No problem at all. Don't worry, they're this far away and they're angled like this. I got a little blast shield, you know what I mean? I make sure, like, if I can try to survive, I make sure it doesn't go off until further on, you know what I mean? Like, boom, you know, that kind of thing, right? Simple delay tactic there. But it's like, actually, you see, Michael, this was a stupid ploy to basically try and get Russia to not look at this. Yo, what's up, Ukraine? Have you ever thought about how you can hide this system and it's actually really super cheap and simple to make? Come on, Ukraine! Come on, flying dingleberries just going boom. Why not? It's so easy to make claymores. It's really not that hard. It's just like a plate on the other side that you would have to have. Now, that would be the wall that they would have, or the plate thingy, you know what I mean? But, like, generally speaking, that's what it's for. You know, gotcha. Toodaloo. Bye.